To open the ADIB current or savings zero balance account, simply start by downloading the ADIB Mobile Banking app. Once you have downloaded this app, open it and tap on Join ADIB. This is a zero balance account with no minimum balance requirement, but keep in mind it has a minimum salary requirement. We're going to discuss this in a minute, but first, let us enter our mobile number. Tap on the verify button. Go ahead, enter the OTP that will be sent to you. Again, also enter your email address in this box below. You can as well enter your invite code in case you have one. Slide this button to confirm. Select whether you are interested in receiving marketing content from the ADIB Bank. Slide the button to continue. Here, start providing more information about yourself by selecting your employment status. Select employed and then choose the category, whether you're employed by government, private, or even a free zone. Are you under or over 18 years of age? Select your age bracket. Go ahead, enter your monthly salary. Even if your salary is less than 5,000, I'm going to show you how you can open this account. Here is where you have to pay attention, guys. Selecting your account type. As you can see on the screen, we have the current account, the Gina savings account, and the standard savings account. The current account will make your day-to-day banking as simple as possible. You'll get a free debit card, a free checkbook, and a chance to win 12 times your salary. The Gina savings account gets you into the Gina prize draw, gets you a free Gina debit card, and also pays you profits on all the funds in your account. The ADIB savings account gets you a free debit card, free unlimited data transaction services at over 60 ADIB branches, plus profits. So, if you're wondering which of these account types is the best for you, that will depend on your personal choice. But one thing you have to keep in mind, the eligibility requirements for all these accounts are all the same. Personally, I decided to go with the current account, and over a year with this account, no minimum balance fees have ever been charged. So, select your account type to move on. Sharing your documents and verifying your identity. All you will need is a copy of your Emirates ID, a copy of your passport, and then taking a selfie. Tap on the scan document button. Again, tap on continue. Give your ADIB app access to your camera. Then start scanning both the front side and the back side of your Emirates ID. Now, start scanning your passport. Keep in mind, even if you don't have your passport with you, go ahead and scan a clear copy and then wait for the processing of the document. Once your Emirates ID and passport have been successfully verified, our next step is to verify our identity by taking a selfie scan. Tap on the continue button. As you can see on the screen, tap on this button here which says I'm ready. Then verify your face by following the instructions on the screen. Now you have to provide more personal information, starting with your residence address. Enter all the necessary residence information like your building number, building name, your emirate, and then enter the country where you stay. Enter your country of birth, your employer name, and your job description. You can also select whether you have a second nationality by toggling this button on. Personally, I have just one nationality, so I'll turn it off and then tap on the next button. Answer the tax question by simply select no. Select your estimated usage of your account. You can choose between light, medium, and high, depending on your personal situation. Also select whether you're planning to transfer your salary to this account. Make sure you have read through the tax declaration. You have read through the terms and conditions. To agree, slide this button to confirm. That brings us to our next step, which is personalizing our ADIB debit card. Select the names you want to appear on this card. Enter your referral code if you have any, and then select the branch that is near to you. Tap on the next button, and we have to start scanning our ID again. Place your Emirates ID at the upper back of your mobile phone, and then tap on Start Reading. Wait for a few seconds while the app reads your Emirates ID information. Sometimes you might get this error message in case you move your ID away from your phone. So, if you get this message, try again. Once your Emirates ID information has been captured, your signature will be automatically revealed, as you can see on the screen. Confirm that this is your signature by tapping on the confirm button. Then, read through the general terms and conditions of this service. To accept, slide the button below. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number you use while creating this account. Go ahead and enter this OTP. As you can see on the screen, you will now be prompted to enter your ePIN. This is a very important PIN that you will use always to log in into your ADIB Mobile Banking app. Once you have created one, go ahead and confirm it. To verify, a second OTP will be sent to your mobile. Enter it, and that is it. You will be automatically logged in into your account. You can now manage your ADIB account that we have just opened using this app. As you can see, you can activate your debit card right here and many more. You will also receive a confirmation email of your account opening. So, guys, what is the minimum salary requirement for this account? As I told you earlier, this account requires no minimum balance requirement. But here is the thing, if your salary is between 2,000 and 3,000, you can still open this account.